what you got yourself in.
You want to choose a different exit this morning. Otherwise, be prepared to take that time to commute. This is reported as a vehicle fire on the inner loop of crashing.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm tired. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. What? Thursday. I get excited because it's Thursday. Because it's almost Friday. Because I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Let me show you guys Rob's ghetto breakfast. Take a quick zoom. Ooh, those chicken nuggets are so old. It's 6:18 and I'm just making my way down here. And I have to get my smelly ready. And my husband watches the news. It's so depressing. Anybody else watches the news? It is so depressing. Like I don't understand why he watches the news. I don't watch the news because I don't want to be depressed. Oh my word, he's sitting at the table all alone. Oh Lord. Oh my gosh. What are those?
Grass course, sir.
No way.
They look like the grass on a golf course.
Babe, no way. Would you wear that, guys? Like seriously? Good morning, Jason. Good morning, buddy. Oh, I love you so much. Oh my gosh, guys, he's growing up so much. Show them your mustache. Oh, look at that mustache. Where is it? Not your face, your mustache.
Thank you.
Oh, Jordan has mustache. It's Jordan. Oh, look at that mustache. Show them the mustache. Where is it? Oh, come on. Where's the mustache? Right.
What's going on?
Right there. Say good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Good. Look in the camera, Jordan. I was trying to find an intro for him, and it was so hard to find a footage of him just in the camera staring. I had so many footage of Destiny, Jaxson, Madison. Couldn't find anything of this guy. He does not come in the camera. He does not have one. He reminds me of his dad. They hate the camera. Alright, did you brush your teeth?
No, not yet,
No, not yet? What's the rule? What are the rules?
You brush your teeth first.
And then come on down. But you're down here. No, eat nothing. Brush your teeth. Because then you guys forget and then you go out in public and you're representing me when you go out in public. So you have to put your best face forward, dude. Including your teeth. Rob, you gonna share your breakfast with me?
No. I is backwards though. They should eat breakfast first.
No! It is backwards, but guess what? They're not regular children that say, oh, I just had my breakfast, I'm gonna go upstairs and brush my teeth. It ain't happening. And the next thing you know, they're walking around here with dirty teeth. And then guess who it falls back on? Me. You're like, where were you? Why were their teeth dirty? Babe, have you seen Jordan's teeth lately? Did he brush it? Nope. He's gonna brush it upstairs and then come eat his breakfast and it's gonna taste disgusting. Anyways, I'm gonna get these kids stuff going and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit, okay? Okay.
Daddy?
You didn't look at me when you kissed me. Turn here, look over here. See ya. Careful with these hooks here.
Daddy? Can I put the tablet on the charger?
No, it's turned off. I turned it off so it don't die. Alright?
Have a good day.
Love you.
Love you too. So, I'm making the kids cheese roll up is where you flatten out the bread. Flatten out the bread, toast the bread.
You got your tea?
Why? Because you don't want me drinking this tea, Maddie? Destiny. You don't want me drinking the tea?
Let his tea alone. Last time.
Hubby used all the cheese last night making some, I don't know what he made. I couldn't eat it because I'm just like, ugh. There was so much cheese in it. Hi, buddy. Good morning. What's the matter, Maddie? I don't even think I have enough cheese. Oh, my word. I have exactly 4 cheese. Exactly 4 cheese. I have 4 slices of cheese. Oh my word.
Why'd you hit me?
Guys, Jackson, cut it out. You will go in timeout. Do you hear me? Do not hit your brother. Apologize now. No, it's not sorry. It's I'm sorry. For what? You do that again and you will get massive punishment. Do you hear me? I don't even know what that is. Anyways, I'm gonna finish these kids' lunch and get out of here. Oh, guys, I made the kids grilled cheese. This is the easiest way to make grilled cheese. What you do is take a roller, 2 slices of bread, roll it out, put the cheese, and then, no, grill it, then put the cheese, and then grill it again. Grill it, no, toast it. So you toast the bread. After you flat it out, put the cheese, and then toast it again. Roll it out with the cheese, and then put it back in the toaster. And then you have yourself a perfect grilled cheese. And I just put it in this foil paper to help, you know, preserve the heat. And there you go. It helps a little bit so that they're not eating cold sandwich.
Oh man.
Where's the birthday boy? Because it's not you.
I'm gonna eat.
I know you're gonna eat. I know you're going to eat. And these are my this is how out of order my husband is. Took my my holiday platters and get ready to use them. Ugh. Can't use the turkey. Let's eat.
Can I have these, Mom? Can I have these?
What are you having? Sure. Where's the birthday boy?
Birthday boy, time for your cake.
1, 2.
Find your bear first. Find your bear first.
Your name on your shirt.
Oh.
On your
What?
go change and come back. Where are you going?
It's near the garage door.
Where are you going? To school? I know you have a backpack on, but where are you going? You don't know where you're going.
Up there.
You ready for school, mommy?
30 minutes.
Or the birthday bat? I can't with her. You arrived at school, mommy? Give it back to the owner. Alright.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
So, now it's appropriate. Probably shouldn't use this guy. Because that's the only one.
Jackson? Yep, you gonna stand right there?
Grandparents are here. Finally.
Can you record with the light off?
Ay, qué linda cabeza petita.
Yeah.
Can I?
Qué linda cabeza petita pequeñita.
I'm good?
Yeah.
Let me stand up like
Okay.
the baby. Okay?
And at the end, you make a wish in your head, and then you blow the candle.
Okay?
You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Make your wish, and then you blow your candle.
Yeah.
Well, that's a long wish.
Oh.
Hey!
John.
Okay.
That was a long wish.
Yeah.
Here you go, honey. Can you start for me, please? While I record?
Really?
Yeah. Why you always say really?
Poquito, pero.
No, not you black.
Yeah.
Someone can have
Hay vasos allí.
Right there, boy.
Ahí hay vasos.
Here you go, baby. You're blessed. What do you say?
No sé. Pero tráete uno para vos.
No, tengo.
No.
Tráete uno para vos y después que cada uno se agarre el que quiera.
It's fine. We'll load up everything and wash.
Adults.
Primero para el cumpleañero.
Compañero,
ya.
What do you say, Daddy?
I said adults.
Golly, that was some big ass cake with no dinner.
¿No tiene? Adults.
Ah, está jodido.
Está jodido.
Hoy no le dan cena.
No dinner.
Agárrate tu vaso.
Ooh, mango.
Pineapple.
Adults.
Adults.
How many adults? That's it?
Yep.
¿El nene tiene cake? Sí, toma Roberto.
All right, guys. You can take.
Kids.
Sorry, I took a plate of the adult.
Of course you would.
Real grandpa gave it to me.
No, el plástico. El plástico,
Grandpa gave it to me.
What's the matter? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. So, we finished. Just finished Jackson's assignment. Okay, this thing is all done. And I'm using these little birds to hold this down because I just taped it. But his project was to create a poster board. Maddie messed this up, so I had to put some stuff down to hide the marker that she did. But it's a trifold. I went to go buy a trifold from Michael's, and they were asking way too much money for those little things. So I made my own out of 2 poster boards. So I just cut it and then use painter's tape to make it like a little book. And then I drew these because I couldn't find anything to print out. So I just drew my own. So I did the smartphone, I did the old telephone. So it's like life long ago versus life now. So, you know, back then they used telephones with cords, and now we have smartphone. And then they had candle lights, now we have light bulb. And then he had to write a little sentence saying, you know, family life long ago. Long ago, families used to use telephone with cord, but today we use smartphones. So I highlighted, you know, the points over here, and then it's like a little essay. Juju, stop. And then over here it says family used to use candle lights, but things have changed and we now use light bulbs. And then I put little stickers down here that says get it done. Life is lovely, live colorful, and live life, live, love, learn, and stuff like that. So I like it. It's my first poster board, and I have 5 kids. The older kids have never done poster boards in public school. So now that they're in private school, Jaxson, this is his first poster board. And I think I did a pretty good job.